Patrick Center for Environmental Research at the Academy of Natural Sciences monitors environmental health in the Mid-Atlantic region. And I worked with the wetlands section, which looks at the coastal resilience of tidal wetlands in the Mid-Atlantic. I nominated them because it seems like they really care about their employees and their students being passionate about the work they're doing and helping them pursue those passions. I had met my mentor, Beth, previously, and we had talked about wetlands and my interest in wetlands. And so she remembered me when the co-op cycle came around and asked me if I would be interested in applying for the position. I chose to work for this employer because the Academy of Natural Sciences is known worldwide as a natural history institution, as well as it seemed like it would be a really nice place to work, and they offered me the chance to do a lot of field research and to do my own independent research as well. I not only learned how to do field and lab techniques that will be valuable for my future career, but also how to perform research in an institution that is public-facing. I think my most memorable experience was performing my own field work out in the Pine Barrens and getting to go check up on frogs every day. After graduation, I'll be going to graduate school, and then after graduate school, I hope to be a research ranger at a national park or a naturalist for a small conservation nonprofit.